Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. Do you want to have a little extra money coming into your house? What about an entirely new job? How would you like to do that from the comfort of your own home on the internet? That is possible, and you just need to learn some tips about making money online. Keep watching for some great advice. Start taking surveys. There are a large number of online survey sites to choose from. They're fun and easy. Depending on the site offering the survey, they may not pay much. However, they're pretty easy to do when you're bored and they can add up. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Join a focus group if you want to make some money on the side. These groups gather together from an internet hub at a physical location where they will talk about a new product or service that is out on the market. Generally, these groups will gather in very big cities near you. Now that you've had a chance to read about making money online, you can start to do it. All you need to do is to use the suggestions above, and you'll be well on your way. Soon you can make a bit more money, or even start a whole new life due to your earnings. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.